This is a completely anonymous AI cartoons channel for kids that posts videos every day. According to Social Blade, they make about $140,000 per month just from ad revenue. Some of the other faceless channels they operate make about $10,000 per month. For instance, this one makes between $3 and $400 per day from ad revenue. This is a completely anonymous AI cartoons channel for kids that posts videos every day. According to Social Blade, they make about $140,000 per month just from ad revenue. Some of the other faceless channels they operate make about $10,000 per month. For instance, this one makes between $3 and $400 per day from ad revenue. In this tutorial, we will go over how to actually make those AI cartoons. First things first, you need to be accepted into the partner program in order to actually earn money from ads. For some people, this may take 6 to 12 months, so if you actually want to get approved instantly, you can click the first button. This will monetize your YouTube channel right away. Consequently, you don't waste thousands of dollars and can start profiting right away from your YouTube automation channels. The next step is to head over to an AI tool called Leonardo Doy, where you will just need to click and create an account to sign up for absolutely free. As soon as you sign up for absolutely free, you will be able to start generating these different elements for your AI cartoon. Step 2 is to then generate a story for your AI tunes. I'm just going to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate a story for me. You don't necessarily need to create a dog police officer for your story. Instead, an AI that can create virtually any creature can create it for you. So you just want to go to AI image generation, skip all of these tutorials, and choose either the Dream Shaper or 3D animation style. Then you want to enter a prompt, and this AI tool will generate that for you. I'm only using this example because the channel from the introduction makes about $140,000 a month from posting those videos alone, so I wanted to use that as a comparison. Here is a very good example image entirely generated with AI. As you saw, now I can download this with one press of a button. Now step number 3 is to go over to a platform called Art and Pavs is an AI tool that will animate images for you, so you just want to join the beta you want to join. And you just need to click on /animate image before you upload the adorable image you created with Leonardo. The video will then be created for you, which shouldn't take more than a minute. There will be a lot of different people sending their own prompts as well, so you will just have to wait for yours, which could take up to a few minutes. You can see your personal prompt highlighted like this. The idea is to simply upload your images from Leonardo and then ask this AI tool called Pixelapse to actually animate the videos for you so you can combine them all into one YouTube video. To combine those videos, you can just use a platform called Capcut, which is an absolutely free video editing tool, so you can just sign up for free to this tool by clicking here. And here you can simply add various files to your project, combine them all, and have a complete video generated in that way. By the way, you can also browse through all of these various animations from other people inside of Pickle Labs, because they're all completely public, so you can see what other people are producing. Here's one animation. Given that it was produced using AI, you are currently permitted to use their creations as well, because they have full copyright to them. For the reason that I skipped over my creation, I can't seem to find the issue I mentioned here, so I'll have to scroll through until I find my puppy and then download that one. Just a reminder that in order to actually make money from the YouTube videos you publish, you must be monetized and accepted into the partner program. To get instantly monetized, go to fidapp.com monetization or simply click the first link from the description box below the video. 95% of the videos I publish have entirely AI-generated voiceovers, but they're still monetized. But if you start a channel only with AI content and only publish AI content, then you will run into problems. Therefore, it will be much less expensive to get instantly monetized than to spend time and money creating content that may never generate even a single dollar. Again, this is going to be possible at fidave.com. Sincerely hope this step-by-step tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, please click the like button, and I'll see you on some of the upcoming videos.